what's going on. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Live Good Opportunity and do these 3 things to explode your Live Good business opportunity starting today. Now, if you stick around to the end of this video, I have some bonuses that I'm going to share with you that's going to help you get up and going as quickly as possible. Okay, so the first step you want to do is to join Live Good if you have not done so. The second thing you're going to do is set up your Live Good sales funnel, and then the next thing you're going to do is we're going to start getting fresh traffic to your Live Good opportunity on a daily basis. Okay, so the first step you want to do is you're going to come to this page, just fill in your first name, last name, and email. Click reserve your position. Once you get inside of Live Good, okay, go ahead on and upgrade, simply because not upgrading is not going to help you. You're just going to be a pre-enrollee. So go ahead and upgrade. Now it's going to be a one-time $40 charge to become an affiliate. And then it's going to be $9.95 per month for you to get access to the wholesale product prices. Okay, the low prices on the products. So in total, your investment today is going to be $40.95 for the Live Good business opportunity. So go ahead, click the link in the description to get in Live Good today and upgrade today, because you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Okay, the next step in the process is I'm going to send you an email to this page right here. Once you get that email, what you want to do is click here to join Lead Sleep on these little blinking links right here. You're going to join Lead Sleep. This video is going to walk you through the entire process of setting up your system. There are share codes on this page that you're going to get access to opt-in pages and thank you pages. Okay, 30+ email series that you can going to put into your Lead Sleep system. Okay, and then you're also going to get access to this page right here, so you can duplicate and email this to your leads as well. Now the email that I send you, you can take it and tweak it, make it your email, okay, and send it to your peoples as well. Okay, so this is the second step in the process. Now, once you set up your system, you're going to get a page like this. Okay, this is just one of the many opt-in pages that you get access to. It's going to take your prospect to another page where you can brand yourself, have an image of yourself right here. They can watch this short minute video. This button right here, lock in your free position, is going to go to your affiliate link. It's easy to set up. It's not hard to set up, and it should not take you long to set up, because that video is going to walk you step by step how to do it. Another short video. All of the links on these pages are going to be coded to you. The Telegram chat group is just one of the groups that we have as well, and you're going to get access to our private Facebook group. Okay, and I'll share that with you in the bonus. Okay, you can get this exact page right here by using the share code on this page as well. Once again, you're able to put your images on here. Now, the most important thing is getting traffic. And before I show you the traffic sources, let's talk about traffic just for a hot minute. There's free, there's paid. Okay, free, you can use Facebook to reach out to your warm market, people who already know you, like you, and trust you. Now, with those people, you just want to send them straight to this page right here so they can get started. You don't have to send them to the opt-in page. Okay, now this is very important, and listen to what I'm about to say. Do not run any of the traffic that I'm about to share with you to this page right here. Always send them to an opt-in page. Okay, cold traffic, send them to an opt-in page, and let your sales funnel, your system, do the selling and telling for you. This page right here, I send to people that I'm already friends with on Facebook. Okay, just to share this with them. Okay, if I'm going to run cold traffic, I'm going to use an opt-in page like this here. Now, I have a real simple page that I like to use because it gets higher opt-in rates, but this is a good page for you to start with, and you're going to get plenty to use. Now, going back to traffic again, on the paid traffic method, I like to use solo ads. I like to use Bing ads. Okay, so I use those 2 paid traffic sources as well as the free traffic sources, because with free, it can get you leads on a daily basis. Okay, it may be a slower process, but with paid traffic is quicker. It's going to start getting you leads coming in as soon as today or whenever your provider, starts sending out the traffic. Now, what we're going to use in this little short training are solo ads. And I'm going to share 3 vendors with you that I like to use. Okay. Now I have some others, but these 2 are working for me right now, and I wanted to share them with you. Now, understand something. I'm not guaranteeing you any sales, with the vendors that I'm providing you. These are just resources that you can use. You can also go out and find your own solo ad vendors or use some other paid traffic sources that you like to use. Okay. So what this does is going to help you to build your email list so you can start emailing these people on a daily basis. Don't worry about what you're going to say in your emails. We got you covered. Okay. So the first traffic source we're going to look at is wholesale premium traffic. And let me get back up to the top. Okay. It's wholesale premium traffic. This is by Sean. So you're simply going to come to this page, click this red button, or just scroll down. It's going to take you down here to where you can order your traffic packages. Now, I suggest, that you choose the $200 click package and go with the 100% tier 1 price for $58. Now, whatever you can afford, if you can just do the 48, then do the 48. But this is what I like to buy right here. Okay. Also, they have other packages, $300 packages, $87, $72, and $87. Okay, they have a 500 click package, 115, 140, and so on and so on. So you can get 1,000 clicks, however many clicks you want coming to your, your lead capture page. You want to go ahead on and get a traffic package here. So this is one of the sources that I use. Wholesale premium traffic. A link for it is in the description as well. Okay. As I said, traffic is the lifeline of your business. You can have your opt-in page together. You can have you have signed up for LiveGood. Now what you're going to do, you need to start getting traffic. You can have all of that other stuff set up, but if you're not getting traffic, you're not going to, have any success. So this is one of the traffic packages that I use. I also like to use Glenn. Okay. And a link for him, his traffic will be in the description as well. Okay. You can click here. Yes, I want traffic. Scroll down through here and just keep strolling. Okay. You can buy red hot buyers traffic. Okay, that's totally up to you. But if you can't afford any of these clicks up here, okay, you can scroll down to his business opportunity niche and get a tester package of 100 clicks, starter package 200 clicks, $90, whatever you can afford. What I like to do is I like to buy clicks or purchase a solo ad weekly. Okay, today is my day to purchase a solo ad for me to run to my LiveGood business opportunity. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do after I finish shooting this video. So this is another source that you can use. Another source is Udemy. Okay. And a link for Udemy will be in the description as well. On Udemy, you can find a whole bunch of vendors that you can use. Okay. Here's the thing. I'm sharing this one and I'm sharing this one. Okay. Everybody in LiveGood, and people are coming in on a daily basis. Everybody in LiveGood starts using these 2 traffic sources. Okay. It may become burnout over time. Okay. So what you can do is come to Udemy and you can come over here and click on find sellers. Okay. When you click on the find sellers, you can set your parameters up here at the top. Okay. Scroll down through here, find someone that you like. Okay, look at the prices, look at the amount of sales that they have gotten and things. You can also see repeat buyers. So I'm just going to click on someone here. Also, before I do that, you also have solo deals as well. Okay, so you can come down through here and find solo deals. People who have a percentage off of the sale price. Okay, so that's up to you, but go to find sellers. Set your parameters up here. You can pause the video to see what I have set, and I can show you this as well. Okay. So you can pause the video to see what I have set. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scroll down and we're going to look at this person, that name. Okay. I'm going to click on it and it's going to come up. Okay. So what you can do here, just kind of look over who they are. It's going to tell you the ratings from the buyer of this person. This is going to tell you the percentage rating where buyers reported sales, okay? And then you're going to have the percent of repeat customers, people that come back to her, okay? So what I would like to do is just, what I advise you to do is just go down through here and read this information, okay? See what they're all about, see the program that they're in. You're going to choose your clicks here, but we'll come back to that in a minute. This is where your traffic is going to come from, 97% tier countries, okay? And we're going to go down through here, and I want to see if people have gotten sales using this solo ad vendor. There's 1, there's 2, and you can see show more ratings here to go through the process. I like to see that the people, have gotten sales using this traffic source, okay? So what you can do, and this works with the same way with all of the vendors on this page, okay? The seller's minimum click is 300 clicks, okay? It's going to cost you $123, okay, to get this. So just remember that. You're going to put your link here, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to grab your opt-in page's link, copy it, and make sure you have it saved somewhere. Come back over here. Okay, and then you're going to pop your link in there. Once you put your link in, you click checkout and you can purchase the solo ad. And it's going to tell you when it's going to start running, okay? You can, this one don't start till January the 18th, which is tomorrow. You can click here and pick the date that you want it to go out. See, the 17th is sold out, so the 18th is the next day for it to go, okay? If you have a balance, you can use your balance. But once you check out, I think you're able to use PayPal. And I know you can use a credit card or a debit card. If you have a swipe that you want to use, you can click add text here if you want to. If you do that, you're able to put your message in there, okay? Just give them the link and let them write the email for you. That's what I like to do. I just let them write their email because they know how to get their list or whatever they're writing to get their people to open up. So that's it for the training, the 3 steps. Okay, you do these 3 steps to explode your Live Good business opportunity. Now, the next thing you want to do is I want to share with you the bonuses that you're going to get. The Live Good bonuses, I've already shown it to you, so you're going to get it ready to go done for your sales funnel. You're going to get 30 plus done for your emails, free and paid traffic sources, private Facebook groups, weekly private Zoom training, and you're going to get access. I'm going to take your affiliate link, okay, for Live Good, and I'm going to put it into my team rotator. When I purchase traffic today, your link will be in there if you get set up right now, okay? But I already have some of my team members in there, and so I'm going to help you get 2 people, okay? 2 members, not per enrollees. I'm going to help you get 2 members. Once you get the 2 members, you will be removed from the rotator. But I'm also going to share with you this exact doc. If you want to use this doc, you want to make sure you just change out this link down here, okay? I'm going to share with you the personal email that I use to send out to my members, okay? I'm going to share the document that they get, okay, that you can tweak, okay, and make it yours so you're able to share that information with your team. Now, when you join Live Good, this is what you're going to see when you come into the back office, okay? You're going to see this page right here. Okay, as far as my earnings, you see I've already earned $150 last week. They paid out on Thursday. It was in my account on Thursday, okay? So that's what it's showing me right here, the earnings weekly breakdown, okay? So does it work? Yes, it works, but it only works if you work it. I have given you the 3 steps that you need to do. Once you join Live Good, once you get the system set up, your only responsibility is send traffic. YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, reach out to your warm market. They're all free. Paid method, the solo ads I'm sharing with you right now. The link to get started is in the description below. Go ahead and get started today. So go ahead, click the link in the description, get signed up with Live Good today, okay? Get Lead Sleep, get the traffic sources, get your system set up, get your traffic sources so you can have a prosperous Live Good opportunity. I look forward to working with you. Make sure you subscribe to the video, like this video, share this video, and comment below in this video. If you have any questions, my contact information will be above where you can reach out to me on Facebook and send me a text or call me at my phone number. And it's also in the description as well. With that being said, go ahead and get things set up today. I look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.